So Paul, I know you conduct a lot of tabletop exercises, and you will be conducting several at our campus safety conferences this summer. And because you've had so much experience conducting these tabletop exercises, can you tell me some of the mistakes that people make when they're conducting their tabletop exercises?
Sure. I think the biggest mistake is if we're not conducting because of whatever the reason might be. Maybe we think we're not ready. Maybe we think we won't have enough participation. I don't know, but that's obviously the biggest mistake. I would say the second mistake, if we are conducting them, is we let somebody come in who kind of runs something themselves instead of us all actually participating. And that can happen if you've got a big personality involved. I think it must be collaboratively drawn up, and people must be prepared for what we're going to be participating in. And I think one of the bigger mistakes too that we find, Robin, is that sometimes they're not time bounded enough. So you're going to go to a tabletop exercise, you arrive there in the morning, and next thing you know, it's spilling over into end of morning lunch. I think it's important to have time bounded, and what I will do at the campus safety conferences coming up is make sure that as we organize into groups and we're assigned stakeholder roles, that when they get the questions after the scenarios come up on the board, they get a very short amount of time to wrestle with how they would answer those questions, how they would respond. And I think that that a little bit of stress, a little bit of tension helps us understand that these kinds of emergencies don't unfold on our time. And it keeps people engaged. They're not kind of going, oh, okay, what's that person going to talk about next? We're all engaged. I think those are the things we would avoid so that we could have something that was more effective.